How many YouTubers does it take to make a video?
Oh, man, we need many.
Two to talk. We need 6 guys to follow us with the camera.
Exactly.
And 2
tell us what we're doing.
Tell us what we're doing, and 2 to carry our backpacks. We want to look good on camera.
Sherpas.
Sherpas. Hey, I'm thirsty. Is there a Starbucks around here?
Gosh, Starbucks. Ugh.
No.
Give me a Wawa coffee.
Wawa coffee.
That's right. That's right.
I want a meatball sandwich.
Meatball. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, you can get pizza at Wawa now, too.
What are you going to do if Bigfoot comes? Which one of
Say
us?
hi to my relatives.
Which one is faster, me or you?
I don't know.
How fast can you? How fast can you run? I guess I'm going to lose.
I ain't running no track no more.
I better get me a big stick. Oh, what was that? Something took off.
Yeah.
Thought I stepped on another snake. My wife will never let me go in the woods again. That's how it happened last time.
Yeah, I'll bet you.
I was just doing this, and it was like right there. I jumped back about 4 feet.
Yeah, you never know what's going to jump out of the woods or what catches your eye.
I think if I saw a squatch, I don't think I would run.
I don't think so either. I'd say hi to my relative.
I'll talk back. I just want to stand there and look at it. I want to see what it is. Being the curious person that I am.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm into the thought that it can read your mind. I don't know about that.
I never even heard of that.
Yeah, they
what
can
kind
read
of
your
stuff
mind.
are you watching?
There's a lot of Bigfoot shows out there. We have cryptids in Pennsylvania, apparently too.
What the heck's that?
Bigfoot, paranormal stuff. Cryptids. Here's our snake for today.
Oh yeah.
A very harmless gardener snake. He's hiding down there where it's nice and cool. Looking for a bug to come by for a meal. He's watching me, I can see him.
That was that tree that fell over.
Could be. Could be it.
That was pretty cool, thank you.
Sure. We'll try it again.
You should leave.
Duh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. As always, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Subscribe to PA Lumberjack, help his channel grow.
Lumberjack PA.
Lumberjack PA.
That's all right, leave it in.
PA Timber Ghost, and welcome to the family if you're a new subscriber. And as always, we will see you on the next video. Wrong one. Oh, who said that? Oh, who said that? All right, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.